Hi everyone, my name is Jeff Hopper and welcome to my course, Querying Data in AWS Databases. Storing and querying data is core to any line of business application. AWS offers several great hosted database options, including the common open source and commercial database management systems. They have also developed their own system called Aurora and even introduced a serverless option for hosting this database system. In this course, we are going to discover what is required to query an RDS database instance. Some of the major topics that we will cover include using a traditional database provider over which queries can be made against the RDS instance, as well as using the new Data API to execute queries against the Aurora serverless instance. Together, we'll explore developing both approaches through a demo Lambda Node.js web service. Along the way, discovering the configurations required to open up communications between RDS and Lambda. By the end of this course, you'll know how to query your RDS database from another AWS service. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with using the AWS console to create services. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to query an RDS instance with the Querying Data in AWS Databases course at Pluralsight.